How to use italic text on WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use italic text on WhatsApp messages, so make sure to watch the video till the end. On our previous video we discussed how we can bold the text, but in this video we will discuss how we can use an italic text in order to send messages. It is very simple. You don't have to use any third-party sketchy application. It's just one simple command. I'm sure you will be able to remember it. So for this, all you have to do is go ahead and simply open the WhatsApp Messenger application, and now simply head over to it. Now previously I did a bold tutorial, so you can watch that video if you like. Now for the italic one, what you have to do is before you type in a message, just type in underscore. Once you type in underscore, you can simply go ahead and then enter your messages text, and now without leaving a space or anything, right after your word or sentence, you can simply end it with underscore again. And once you basically end it with another underscore, your message is going to be sent in an italic format. Now in my case it is showing this because I'm using a custom font on my room, but if you use underscore and send them, it is basically going to get sent in an italic format. That's all it takes to go ahead and send italic text on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.